Topics and subscriptions in service bus. Earlier we have seen queues. And how did queue work? A sender application would post a message into the queue and the receiver application would receive the message from the queue. And very important point was there can be multiple sender which can post the messages into the same queue and there can be multiple receivers receiving the messages from the queue. But at any point of time, one message could be retrieved by only one receiver application. Same message could not be processed by multiple receiver application. But topics are extended form of the queue. A sender is going to post a message into the topic and we can have again multiple senders posting the message into the same topic exactly like in queues only. The only difference is for a topic we are going to have multiple subscribers and every subscriber which is going to register with the service bus topic we will provide a filter and based on that filter it is going to get all the messages which are going to be posted into the topic. So there is very good chance that if the filter is qualified for multiple subscriber, the same message would get delivered to the multiple subscribers rather than only to a single subscriber. So yes, as you can see in this particular figure, we have a sender posting different messages with three different dots you see here, white, black, violet, and these three different messages can be used by three different subscribers. This is for subscriber 1, this is for subscriber 2 and this is for subscriber 3. Subscriber 1 would get only one message but subscriber 2 can get two messages and subscriber 3 is getting all the messages. So if there is no filter, yes, subscriber 3 is getting all the messages and if there is filter, only based on the filter the messages would get delivered to the subscriber. And same thing is demonstrated here. So we have multiple applications, different types of applications, all posting messages into the topic, which is part of the service bus. And for every subscriber, we can say there is a queue. So from the topic, the message is posted into the respective queue of the subscriber. So that the same message by different applications can be processed in different ways and continued further with next message. So let us demonstrate this with an example. I have an application where I'm going to create courses and all these courses that I'm going to create will be subscribed by different subscribers. Some people will be interested in course A, some people will be interested in details of course B and so on. So I have a topic description to create the topic programmatically, namespace manager, which is ultimately creating the topic here. Once the topic is created, we get the reference to the client and here also we create brokered message, the course object. Very important, we have to specify a property now because based on this property only filtration is going to happen and then send the message. So actually speaking, this code is not at all different from that of what we have used for queue. Just that queue description has changed to topic description and queue client has changed to topic client. And then here going further, we are posting multiple messages. C#, Java, both with category basic, Azure, SharePoint, both with category advanced. So one application is posting multiple messages and terminating. We are then going to have a subscriber. There also will need the course for deserialization. Here we are creating a connection. You know that the topic name is courses, but we are interested, let us say, only in basic courses. So we provide some subscription name. Like topic name, we will have to provide subscription name also because under a topic we can have multiple subscription. So here in this, we are only creating a subscription. The client application, the receiver application, we are creating a subscription. In the center, we created a topic. Here we are creating subscription. For a given topic, this is the subscription name. And very important is the filter because it is going to get only those messages which qualify this filter. That means from the topic, only those messages which have category is equal to basic we are going to retrieve all other messages we discarded. So as usual, we have got on message. On message options are given here. Autocomplete false. That means the message is not automatically complete. You will have to explicitly mark it as complete after processing it. Auto renew timeout 1 minute. The message is not retrieved, it will be automatically renewed in 1 minute. And otherwise, you see, we are trying to get the message and we are trying to either complete or abandon. There is an exception writing the message. So very similar to what we have done for queue. The only difference is in context of queue, we were posting message into the queue and we were also retrieving the message from the queue. But here we are posting the message into the topic and we are retrieving message from the subscription based on the filter. So let me run this program. Run this program now. Create a new project, console application. I'll call it as topic subscription sender demo app. As usual, add the reference to system.configuration, NuGet package, service bus, install. And same thing on the server on the other side. Create a new project, console based application, topic subscription receiver demo app. Here also add the reference to system.configuration and NuGet package service bus. Now I'll copy the code first from sender, paste it as it is here, select everything, delete and paste it. Of course, I need to provide the connection string for which again I go to portal, shared access policies. Service bus, not listing. Or this is queue within the service bus. Go to service bus, my demo queue. All resources. Get the access key. The connection string itself you can take. Use this in config file. And same thing in the receiver. And in receiver also, I'll copy code from the handout. All fine. So yes, we can keep the receiver running first. Because we have given here read line, the receiver application will not terminate unless I press enter. And because we have used on message, it will keep waiting for the messages. If nothing is there, it will keep waiting. So I have a receiver. Something went wrong. The incoming request is not recognized as the namespace policy request. Yeah, because I'm running the receiver application for the first time, there is no topic by this name. Because I wrote code to create topic only in sender. First, I have to execute sender. And maybe now I have to execute the receiver. The sender has sent post four messages. Four messages have been sent to the queue. That is actually to the topic, but nothing consumed. Why? See, this is still blinking. Why? How this works is the messages there will be immediately delivered to the respective subscribers. If the subscriber is not there, the message is lost. But now I run this again, and we will notice here we have the subscriber receiving two messages. Because though I have posted for only two, because basic courses are C# and Java given. Basic, basic, whereas these two are advanced. So can we have one more subscriber application which is going to consume these two? Yes. So you can actually go here, topics, and see the complete overview. Here also we have the concept of dead letter messages. Basic, that is a subscription. And not only here, even in studio actually we can see the same topic and subscription. Service bus. I have to re-enter my credentials first. Expand the service bus namespace. Expand topics. We will have our topic courses, and under courses we created a subscription that is basic. So like that, if you want, you can actually create one more subscription. Let's call that as advanced. But the category is what? Advanced. Actually, we should develop another application, but I'm just changing it here. And again, as usual, I'll run this project first and I'll keep it running. Close the previous instance. Terminate all the previous instances. Run once again. So this is running now. So, but this particular receiver is only going to receive those messages where the category in the properties of the message is mentioned as advanced. So let us now switch to sender. Press Control and F5. So again, four messages will be posted, all posted. Let us see now what are consumed. Azure and SharePoint are only consumed. So like that, remove the filter and all the messages will be consumed. Right now we are giving the filter. Just remove this, all the messages are going to be consumed. Let me stop this. Now I'll run this, run the sender, terminate, it comes back. Oh, why only two? Because the subscription was already created. Here we are creating a subscription by name advanced. That was already created. But I should change it to all now actually. The name of the subscription. Because the subscription is already created, we wrote logic in such a way that it should not be created if already created. If subscription exists, not then create. So now I've changed the name to actually not required anymore. And now let us run. Running fine. Keep it there. Run the topic. Click send for posting the message into the topic. It will send and terminate. And this time we should see all four messages have come here. So this is the beauty of the topic over subscription. I mean over queue. Queue can post a message only to one receiver, whereas topic there can be multiple subscribers for the same topic. So same message can be delivered to multiple client application, multiple subscribers, or we call it as receivers. So all this is demonstrated well in the handout. And also I would like you to play with the code, because though here I am using on message, not necessarily you can use on message. You can use other options too. As per the requirement, you can use read, peek, then you can explicitly process and then complete and delete and so on. Please play with the code and try to take further. Thank you.